Hello and welcome to We Are Fin. With me now from Euramec I have Bert Buell. Welcome to We Are Fin, Bert.
Hi, hello.
Good to have you here. Good to get some insight into Euramec. You're a company that's been around since the early 90s. Give me some background.
Absolutely. So actually we started in the early 90s, nothing to do at all with aviation. At that time we started as a service company in electronics, sourcing printed circuit boards, displays, then moving into engineering and working for telecom companies, automotive industry, until one day we ended up doing some contracts in aviation, and from there we saw the opportunity to move into flight simulation, designing, creating flight training devices, and that's with the know-how that we had gathered in these industries. So not typically taking things from aviation, but from other industries and applying them into aviation.
And it's bringing those skill sets, isn't it, from the other industries, which has made your flight simulation tool so unique?
Absolutely. So we have been looking into commercial off-the-shelf systems that are used in those industries, and then apply them, change them towards flight simulation. We've been using new technologies that nobody is using into flight simulation, and all with the purpose of making flight training better and cheaper.
So tell me what's really unique about your product.
Well, we are running devices on very limited computer power. So we have our general aviation devices run on one PC only, and that with a spectacular 240 degrees wide view, which really gives you an immersion when you are actually flying on the sim. We also we don't believe into generating generic simulations. So if we design a product for a particular aircraft cockpit, we want the cockpit to be exactly like that. Reason why is we don't believe in training a pilot into an environment that doesn't exist, because then later he will have to adapt anyway.
And of course you've had some great news in announcing some deals with China. You put a number of simulators out there, haven't you?
Exactly. So we had a lot of years of development, but early this year we won a deal with the largest flight school in China for 6 simulators straight away, and that makes us a bit the reference now in China for general aviation simulators.
Bit of a growth story. Bert, thank you for your insight.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And the best for the future for Euramec.
Thank you.
Now you can find the latest on everything, of course, to do with flight simulation and Euramec online, and the latest news from everything in aviation around the world at wearefin.com.